Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of running to the gas station every time your tire pressure is low? Or maybe you need a reliable tool for quick fixes at home or on the road? Well, today I'm going to show you the top 5 best portable air compressors on the market. These compact, powerful devices are perfect for inflating tires, sports equipment, and even powering up other tools in emergencies. Whether you're an avid traveler, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking for convenience, these portable air compressors will make your life a lot easier. So, check the link in the description below for more details and where to grab one for yourself. Stay tuned and let's dive into the world of portable air compressors. Number 5. Edenwolf Vortex S6 is an ultra-efficient cordless air compressor designed to handle heavy-duty vehicles, including pickups, trucks, and off-road vehicles, as well as regular cars, bicycles, balls, pool floats, and air mattresses. This high-performance inflator boasts an ultra-fast inflation rate of 1.5 CFM at 0 psi, capable of inflating a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute, 30 to 35 psi. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi and a gauge accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, it ensures precise and reliable inflation every time. Powered by a built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery, the Vortex S6 can inflate up to 18 F-150 tires on a single charge. Its USB-C 45W dual-direction fast charging port allows for quick recharges and can even power other devices. The 100% duty cycle and dual-cylinder system, combined with a dedicated cooling system, allow for continuous operation without interruptions. The auto-stop feature halts inflation once the desired pressure is reached, ensuring convenience and safety. Additionally, the Vortex S6 offers 7 preset modes and pressure memory, while the 1000 lumens LED light makes it ideal for nighttime use, also doubling as a camping lantern. Whether you're tackling tires or inflating recreational items, this portable air compressor delivers unmatched performance and versatility. Number 4. Noco Air 15 Ultrafast 15A Tire Inflator is the next generation of portable air compressors, offering unparalleled performance for tires up to 33 inches. Equipped with a 200-watt motor, this inflator can inflate tires from 0 to 40 psi in just 2.9 minutes, making it faster than most competitors. It also quickly tops off tires with 35 to 40 psi in under 29 seconds, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. Designed with a superior duty cycle, the Air 15 can run continuously for 15 minutes, fully inflating up to 4 tires from 0 to 40 psi on a single cycle. The integrated smart pressure sensor and innovative dwell technology provide precise inflation, pausing and resuming as the set pressure is reached, and automatically shutting off to prevent overinflation. The intuitive digital interface allows you to easily set the desired pressure, select between PSI, kPa, or bar measurements, and even choose from multiple flashlight modes, including SOS. With a 10-foot power cord, braided inflation hose, and included adapters for various valve types, the Noco Air 15 is a versatile and reliable air compressor that provides fast, efficient, and precise inflation for all your tire needs. It's perfect for anyone looking for the best portable air compressor for their car, SUV, or light truck. Number 3. Avid Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a highly efficient and versatile tool perfect for maintaining your tires and inflating other items. With its 20V rechargeable Li-ion battery, this cordless air compressor ensures fast and convenient inflation without the hassle of cords. The auto shut-off function allows you to preset your desired pressure level, ensuring that you never overinflate your tires, with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi. Whether you're on the road or at home, the dual power supply option, battery or 12V DC adapter, keeps you covered in emergencies. The inflator is designed for quick performance, inflating a 195/60 or 14 tire in just 3 minutes. It also features a multi-purpose design, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and inflatable pool toys. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, whether you're holding it in hand or setting it on the ground, and the built-in LED light offers visibility in dark environments. The compact, portable design, paired with the included accessories and nozzles, charger, and tool bag makes it an essential tool for any vehicle owner. suitable for those looking for the best portable air compressor. Avid Power delivers convenience, reliability, and performance all in one. Number 2. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is the ultimate solution for on-the-go tire inflation. Built with high-quality materials, it delivers fast and accurate inflation for your car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, and bicycle tires, reaching up to 120 psi. Its compact design fits easily in your glove box or trunk, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. The intuitive control buttons allow you to select your desired pressure, and the auto shut-off feature ensures precise inflation without the risk of overinflating. Airmoto's large LCD display is easy to read, and with multiple pressure units, PSI, kPa, bar, kg/cm, you can effortlessly switch between different measurements. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is a lifesaver when you're in low light conditions. With its powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, Airmoto provides long-lasting use and can be recharged quickly. The air hose and included attachments such as the Schrader valve for cars, Presta valve for bikes, and needle adapter for sports equipment make this portable air compressor versatile enough for any job. Whether you're topping off your tire pressure, inflating a basketball, or adding air to an inflatable cushion, Airmoto has you covered. It's the ideal gift for both men and women and a great addition to your emergency car kit. Keep Airmoto in your vehicle or garage, and enjoy peace of mind knowing you're always prepared for tire maintenance. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Tire Inflator is an essential tool for anyone in need of a high-quality, portable air compressor. With its high-pressure inflation mode and automatic shut-off, this inflator takes the guesswork out of inflating tires, automatically stopping when the desired pressure is reached. It also features high-volume inflation and deflation modes, making it versatile enough for various tasks, from tires to sports equipment and more. The inflator's 3 power sources, a 20V Max * battery, 12V DC, or 110V AC, provide maximum convenience for use on the job site, at home, or on the road. Its compact design makes it easy to store and carry, and the onboard accessory storage ensures that all attachments are right at your fingertips. The built-in LED light offers added visibility in low light or dark conditions, so you'll never be caught without a light source. The heavy-duty rubber feet help minimize movement during use, keeping the inflator stable and secure. With a threaded chuck for a secure connection to the inflation valve, you can rest assured that your inflation tasks will be efficient and secure. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this DeWalt inflator is the ideal portable air compressor to get the job done quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, choosing the right portable air compressor can make a big difference in your daily tasks, whether you're on the road or at home. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect model to suit your needs. Remember, investing in a high-quality air compressor ensures you're always prepared for emergencies or DIY projects. So, check the link in the description below for more details on the products we covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.